You can make a lot of money selling dry shampoo because every girl loves dry shampoo. We love to look good and we don't want to spend hours doing it every single day. How awesome could it be if you just did your hair once and then it could last for 3, 4, 5 days? Well, guess what? It can with some dry shampoo. I love this little guy because it's a non-aerosol. If you guys have used dry shampoos before, you'll know that aerosols are awesome because they disappear really well, but then they also run out really quickly. This guy will also disappear really well and he will last forever, or she maybe, whatever you want to call him or her. You look, it's clean, dry shampoo. It's so finely ground that you'll notice that it sprinkles out a little bit even when it's closed, but that's so all those dark hair divas out there can use it and have it still disappear. It's not gonna spill in your bag though when you're traveling or heading to the gym, because all you have to do is throw on this little silicone cap on top and then it will keep everything nice and snug for you. So how you wanna use it is, see how dirty and greasy my hair is? All you have to do is sprinkle it in just like so, dust it in, open it up another section, do the same thing. And the sections could be about like an inch-ish apart depending on how thick your hair is. Right? And then just keep doing that, another inch down. You just need to sprinkle it away. And it should completely disappear into your hair like you can see in my hair here. And if for whatever reason you're noticing a white residue, you are using too much. So just use a little less next time. Just sprinkle it in. And then also what I love about Clean is it reactivates the body. Look at how nice and fluffy this hair is. And it smells amazing too. When we were first formulating this product, I didn't wash my hair for like 8 days and it smelled horrendous. I got my boyfriend at the time to smell my head and he's like, that's disgusting, you need to wash your hair. I'm like, hold on. I went to go and put some of our dry shampoo in. I said, what is it now? Rated out of 10. He's like, 8 out of 10. And hey, for not washing your hair after 8 days, smelling like an 8 out of 10, that's amazing. Okay, I think we're good there. Let's have a little check. Odor and grease gone, and again, nice and fluffy.